Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying visible credentials so you can rule out obvious scams fast. First, inspect the editorial board. Look up named editors and their institutional emails. Search profiles to confirm they list the journal. Next, scan recent issues for consistent subject fit, publication dates, and DOIs. Inconsistent or blank issues are red flags. Finally, check the publisher name against known publishers and membership lists. Once done, you'll have a basic pass/fail for deeper checks. Once you've cleared the basics, dig into review and business practices to understand how the journal operates. Look for a transparent peer review description, expected timelines, reviewer roles, and submission to decision averages. Ultra-fast promises are suspect. Compare article processing charges to norms and see if waivers exist. Vague fees or aggressive solicitations are warning signs. Also verify indexing. Search major databases and citation records. Be skeptical of self-stated impact numbers or unfamiliar metric providers. You finish by validating doubts and making a clear choice you can defend. Email listed editors directly to confirm their roles and watch for personal signatures. Non-responses or generic replies suggest problems. Ask colleagues or your librarian for a second opinion and share your findings. Institutional guidance often resolves ambiguity. If you still doubt the journal's legitimacy, withdraw or decline submission, and consider reporting persistent solicitation or fraudulent claims to your institution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.